I think it was a Saturday, I got an alert that the temperature in the freezer was out of range. So I get in my car and I go to the facility. I open the freezer door and I look up and I see the evaporator totally frozen over. The biggest thing on the back of my mind was that we had a lot of patients that was waiting on the medication they need for their treatment. If the freezer go down, we have no frozen bricks, we can't ship cold chain product. We ship from dermatology medication all the way up to cancer medication. So we normally ship 2,400, 2,500 orders out on a Monday alone. We're talking about 10,000 orders, something close to that during a week that we cannot process. So I said, I need you to get some refrigerator trailers up here as soon as possible. And I can still see Joe's face. He's like, you got to get approval for that. I was like, Joe, I would approve it. My manager always tell me, if it's the right thing to do, do it. If it's a mistake, we'll talk about it later on. But if you feel it's the right thing to do it, do it. And I will support you no matter what. Later on that night, I got another alert that the freezer had failed again. It's not a normal thing that happened. And I can remember kind of laying in bed, getting a gratified feeling to myself, oof, that was the right decision to make. We have a saying in Memphis, and it's more like a creed, that with everything we do, no matter what we do, at the end of the day, we got a patient waiting. Hi, my name is Marcus Roberts. I am the Quality Assurance Manager for Logistics Service for Thermo Fisher Scientific.